DOK-ING.
Croatian company.
Production.
80% market share.
Development.
Robotic and autonomous systems.
Engineering leader.
Business, innovation, and technology.
International market.
Over 100 national and international awards.
More than 30 years.
4 industries. More than 40 countries around the world.
After-sales support. Wide palette of multi-mission robotic systems with variety of special operational tools.
Integrating its own innovations and new technologies.
Protection of human lives and property in dull, dirty and dangerous environments.
Company's multi-purpose EOD robotic systems are widely used for number of humanitarian mine action services.
More than 70 million square meters area cleared of mines.